I bought this smartwatch for just rupees 1099 from Amazon. And this is a seriously feature-loaded smartwatch. Ever wished your smartwatch could handle calls, track your workouts and sleep automatically and still look sleek and lightweight? On top of that, it has games, a calculator and a lot more features, all at just rupees 1099. This is boAt Lunar Discovery Neo, a budget-friendly Bluetooth calling smartwatch. In this video, I will cover the full unboxing and real-world usage, honest pros and cons, and help you decide whether this should be your next wrist upgrade. The box is compact and feels premium for the price. Inside the box, you get the smartwatch, the charging cable, and some documentations. The watch has a complete plastic build. The strap feels soft and comfortable, and the watch is lightweight at around 60 grams. You get a 1.3-inch HD display. This is a normal LCD panel, and at this price, you can't expect AMOLED. The display is sharp and bright and clearly visible even outdoors. You also get raise to wake gestures, which work smoothly. There is a 2.5D animated menu style as well, and it looks pretty cool. Design wise, this smartwatch looks really good. You get a functional rotating crown. Scrolling feels smooth and navigation is much easier compared to constant swiping. The watch comes with an IP68 rating, so sweat and light rain are not a problem at all. Inside the watch, you get a 300 mAh battery. Charging takes around 1 hour. With heavy usage, the battery lasts around 2 days. With Bluetooth calling enabled, it easily lasts a full day. This smartwatch supports advanced Bluetooth 5.4 calling. It pairs easily with Android and iOS through the boAt Crest app. The connection is stable and pairing is seamless. You get a built-in microphone and a speaker. Call quality is surprisingly clear. You can save contacts on the watch and even dial directly from the smartwatch using the small keypad.
The voice you are listening right now is coming directly from my smartwatch. So if I am audible, if my sound is clear, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.
You can also respond to IVR calls, read SMS, WhatsApp messages, emails and app notification directly from the watch, which is very useful. Music controls are available. You can play, pause and change tracks. You can also control your phone's camera remotely to click selfies. If you are into fitness, there's a lot packed in here. You get multiple sports modes. Running, jogging, cricket, yoga and many other activities are supported. Auto activity detection works very well. It automatically starts tracking your walks or runs without any manual input. The watch tracks sleep and stress level. You also get SpO2 monitoring and continuous heart rate tracking. The data is accurate enough for daily health tracking. But keep in mind, this is not medical grade data. After using it for a week, my data was consistent and motivating. You also get a female cycle tracker and reminder, which is very useful feature. There are a lot of extra features as well. You can set reminders. The watch reminds you to move and drink water. Everything can be customized from the app. There are many customization options available. You can change watch faces from the app. You get more than 100 cloud-based watch faces, and you can also create your own custom watch faces and apply them for free. Some brands like Noise actually charge money for this feature. You also get features like weather updates, stopwatch, alarm, timer, calculator, calendar, and you can even play games directly on the smartwatch. Let's quickly summarize the pros. Excellent value for money. The feature to price ratio is impressive. The Bluetooth calling works smoothly. The UI feels very smooth. The display is vibrant with attractive animations. Now the real cons. The build feels plasticky and not premium. Battery drains faster if you use Bluetooth calling heavily. For under 2000 rupees and especially at around 1099 rupees, the boAt Lunar Discovery Neo delivers excellent value. It covers everyday smartwatch needs, calling, basic health tracking and a stylish design. It's perfect for students, commuters and first-time smartwatch buyers. Links are in the description. Check them out for the best offers. What do you think about this smartwatch? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxing. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.